Good morning, class 9th. See students, today we are going to discuss about computer system. As we have done this lesson already, right? Already we have done this lesson before also. But today again, we are going to discuss about the same lesson. You are just your for unit test is just finished, right? So the student who have not gone through the book or not gone through the this chapter, they will see it properly and listen it, and if you have any doubt then you can ask the question in live classes, right student? So see, it is given here. Introduction introduction these days computers are put to use all sort of application, right, ranging from complex calculation, the field of frontline research, engineering, simulations, down to गेमिंग एंड ऑल, राइट? तो आपको पता है कि हमारा जो कंप्यूटर है वो आज की डेट में बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट रोल प्ले कर रहा है। इवन हमारे घर के अंदर जो हम इक्विपमेंट यूज करते हैं या अप्लायंस यूज करते हैं, लाइक टीवी, फ्रिज, कूलर, राइट, लाइक remote related things, these all are the part of a computer actually, right? So computer is divided in many different phases, you can say analog computer, digital computer, and hybrid computer, that we will discuss in our chapter. Okay, so see, convergence of computer, how the computer technology is upgrading from one place to another place. you know Computer technology is a combination of hardware and software, right? Without hardware and software, computer is nothing. It is a combination of hardware and software where your work are getting done with the help of hardware and software. Okay. Now communication technology is possible with the help of few communication media. कुछ मीडियम है कंप्यूटर कम्युनिकेशन के, जिसके हेल्प से हमारा communication possible है. Understand? Here it is given ICT, that is information technology and computer technology or communication technology, right? Content technology, like in movies we have 3D or 2D movies and all, right? So we are able to see the print media daily. The things are getting changes, the quality of pictures, the quality of photos you are able to see in a very good way. How? Because of convergence of technology, right? You are knowing, like when computer started, when we have made computer, at that time we were working with first generation of computer. हमारे पास फर्स्ट जनरेशन कंप्यूटर था, राइट, एंड दैट वाज मेड अप ऑफ वैक्यूम ट्यूब, राइट? वैक्यूम ट्यूब से वो बना हुआ था. द साइज ऑफ कंप्यूटर वाज लाइक अ रूम. It takes very huge amount of power to get start. It takes lot of time before starting, right? But as per topic given in the book, convergence of technology, so day by day technology get developed, and the size of computer or size of technical devices goes slow, smaller and smaller. Right now, the work which you are doing on a smartphone, that work, the same work you can do on computer also, right? So means smartphone and computer are working in the same way. So this is your convergence of technology. Now here it is given overview of communication technology. So what work we can do with the help of communication technology? Like we can see email addresses, right? Short messaging services. Okay, so these all things we can do with the help of कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी. कंप्यूटर टेक्नोलॉजी की हेल्प से हम लोग ये सारी चीज़ें कर सकते हैं, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंसिंग कर सकते हैं, ब्लॉग लिख सकते हैं, micro blogging we can do, we can share the document and all with the help of network, right? Now if we discuss what is computer actually, computer क्या है, then we can find out computer is a electronic machine where which work on which work for variety of like application or operation according to set of instructions, right? Means computer is a machine which work on set of instructions. Many instructions are given, and it get performed by machine and get completed as per our instruction. Okay, like if you want to send email, then you need the recipient email address. You will write this recipient email address in two, and then write the like subject of your topic, and write the message inside, like message of body, and you can send it to the sender. Understand? And it's reached within a second. So these are the overview of communication technology. If you want to send an SMS, then you can send it easily because of convergence of technology. Video conferencing is possible, chat services are possible. These days we are doing everything on like everything we are doing on quick, like with quick decision or quick response, right? So here it is given hardware and software. What are the hardware actually? So hardware is basically, you can say, the devices which you can touch and feel. In computer, all the devices which you can touch and feel, like you can say all the physical devices of computer is known as hardware, right? And if we discuss about software, software is a concept, it is not a product. So it refers to the instructions that tell the computer what to do. एक ऐसा इंस्ट्रक्शन जो कंप्यूटर को बताता है कि आगे क्या करना है, दैट इज योर सॉफ्टवेयर. You cannot see it, you can feel it. The work which is done by software, you can feel it. Now date is there. Now it is given unprocessed raw fact and figures and data, right? Unprocessed, like before processing we give input. Like processing से पहले हम लोग किसी भी डेटा का इनपुट देते हैं. We used to give input. So before like processing, your data is known as raw data, right? Your data is known as raw data. Understand? Now here is information. What is information actually? Information क्या है? Information is basically the process data is called information. जो आपका data process हो चुका है, that is called information. Now it is given here functioning of computer. So you all are knowing about IPO cycle. IPO cycle के बारे में आप सब लोग जानते हैं. We used to give input from input device, and the data get processed, and after that we get output. So this process is known as IPO cycle, right? Where like many devices are there for input, like your keyboard, your mouse, your microphone, right? And the data goes into the processor, you can say CPU, and after few time it's comes out, and like you will get your desired output. Understand? So this process is basically known as IPO cycle. Understand? Now you are able to see the picture of IPO cycle over here, right? Input unit is there, processor, main memory. In memory there is like you can say ALU and CU, and after that there is output. So it is your basically computer processing system, right? If you will give input, then it will accept the data. After that data goes to the CPU. CPU will process that data and check it. After that it goes to the output device, and output device will again check it and give the output, right? This is your basic part of computer, you can say lesson 1 of ninth class. So ninth student, try to attend live classes. In live classes you will able to understand the topics very closely and properly. And rest, if you have any doubt here in the topics which we have revised over here, so you can ask me in live classes. Understand? So thank you for attending class. Thank you very much.